Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is I'm planning to cover with complete SQL series. So that is we'll cover entire from beginner to till intermediate level. We'll cover as 15 days of SQL series, like day 1, day 2, day 3 up to 15 days SQL series we am planning. So in this series, so today's video is the day 1. So day 1 we will cover as mainly select, order by, distinct, and count. So these keywords we have to cover in day 1. Okay, I'm not giving the complete the basic introduction. Okay, so like how the SQL, what is the database, what is data. So that part I'm not covering in this one. Direct, I'm moving to the to create the table and insert the records and to see the queries. Okay, so for this day 1, first I'm creating one table called as a actor table. So this create table actor ID int primary key, first name varchar, last name varchar, last update. So for this I have inserted some records, that is 30 records I have inserted. Let's look into the table. Select star from table name is actor. If I execute this one, I'll get the table, actors table. So this is the complete actors table. 30 records I have inserted. Actor ID, first name, and last update. Okay. Let's see. First, we have to look into the select part. Okay. So what is the select part? So basically, select is most basic statement in SQL. So which is used to select and return data. Okay. So this SQL is so by using select the statement, it's one of the basic foundation of SQL. So it allows you to select and return data from your database. So for example, from this SQL actors table, right now I'm considering with this actors table, right? So actors table, I want to fetch uh, actors table from first name. So that how we'll write the this one. So select direct, I will write as the first name from, or else from part will write as second line from actor. So how now I will get with the only one column. So because I in select I have mentioned as only first name. So above I have written as so select a star. So star means it will display all the columns within the table. Okay. So this query will return as so only first name from all the records in the actor table. So if I execute this one, I will get with only first name. Okay. If I want multiple columns, how I can execute? So if I want multiple columns, again, we'll copy this one. So actually in my table, actors table, this many columns are available. For example, I want multiple columns with the first name and the last name also. So then we'll write as comma, first name, comma, last name from actor. So this way we'll try to get with multiple columns. So here we trying with both first name and last name. Okay. So this is the basic example of select. Okay. Next we'll try to see with the order by clause. So basically what is the order by clause? Order by clause helps you order your results based on a specified column, that is alphabetically or numerically or chronologically. So we'll get the order by alphabetically, like alphabetically with ascending order or descending order, with numerically or chronologically. So we'll see the one table. So again, I'm looking with actors. So from this actor table, I want to sort the results alphabetically by first name. Okay. So select first name from actor up to this one, fine. Okay. Select first name from actor. So if I execute this one, only I will get the first name result. But I want alphabetically first name. So order by first name. Order by first name. So if I execute this one, I will get the result as alphabetically. So A to Z alphabetically I will get. So this is sorting. So if I want to sort with like multiple columns with first name descending order. For example, I will copy this one. So this is I will get with by default first name and last name without ordering. Okay. Now I want to apply with order by first name. So if I execute this one, I will get with the order with ascending order with based on first name only. So if you see the output, first name A to Z is to be ordered, but last name is as usual. As usual means the combination is changing automatically. For example, AUD Audrey Hope. So the combination is to be same. And for example, if I want a descending order, so by default ascending order. So if we are not mentioning anything, that is by default ascending order. If for example, if I want descending order, I will write as DESC. Order by first name DESC. So you'll get with descending order. So first name is changing, right? So based on this first name, last name also it will change. But here we are covering with first name DESC. So first name only descending order. Okay. So that is descending order. For example, if I want ascending order without mentioning, like earlier I'm not mentioning anything, by default ascending order. If I write ascending order called as ASC. So this is ASC will write. Okay. So one part is ascending order and one part is descending order. Okay. So this is descending order will cover. Right. And for example, I want to sort multiple columns with order by. Let's look into this one. Here I am not mentioning with DESC first name and last name also I want the order by. So here based on two columns ascending order will show. If you look into this, but first we mentioned with first name ascending order. So first is first out. So first name first it will fetch with Audrey, right? So that will get with the Hope. Like the combination first name Audrey name is first name with Audrey is this one, and last name Hope. So that is no change. Okay. And other combination, for example, I want first name is DESC and last name is ascending order. Now how it will look? First it will fetch with first name with descending order. Okay. So this starts with first name in descending order and last name in ascending order. Okay. So this is the order by clause. Next we will cover as distinctive. So what is the use of distinct keyword? The distinct keyword allows you to return only unique values in a result set. Only distinct values. Distinct values means unique values. Okay, let's look into the example. Select first name from actor. Okay, so this will get by default first name will get. Okay, but I want unique values within the first name. So we'll write as here distinct. So once I write with distinct, here how many rows? 30 rows is there. If I execute, I'll get the 30 rows only because of there is no duplicates in the first name. So if any duplicates are available, it will fetch with unique values. Okay. So this is the if for one column will apply with distinct. For example, if I want with distinct and order by also. Okay, I want to unique values for the first name and first name to display ascending order. Then we'll write continuation order by first name. So this will get with ascending order with unique values. Okay. Next, we'll try another one more. Here I will try to write with multiple columns. So multiple columns called as first name, comma, last name also I want to fetch. Okay, so this query will fetch as so first name and last name. First name is ascending order, distinct with first name and last name. So how will execute this query will execute called as selecting distinct combinations of first name and last name sorted by first name. Okay. So this way we will get with the distinct. Next we'll see with the count. How will execute with the count. Okay. Let's look into count function. Count function. So how the count function will execute? So first I will write as select part, select from actor. That is fine. Now my question is here to display the count of actor table first name. So how will get the count? Count of first name. Close the brace. So now I will get the count from the first name count. So from the actor table. So actually we have 30 rows is there, right? So we'll get the count 30. So if I execute this one, I will get the 30 count. Similarly, if I write with count of star, what happened? There is no difference. But sometimes it will get with the difference. But in this case, there is no difference. Okay. And count of star 4. Next thing, we'll see the combination of count of distinct first name. Count of distinct first name. So count of distinct first name, in this case, we'll get the 30 rows because of there is no duplicate values in the first name column. But if in case, if any duplicate values, we will get the unique values count. This one. Okay. So this is the way we'll write. Next, we'll look into limit also will look. So how will see the limit? So in actually limit is uh, so how will say uh, PostgreSQL, the limit function is to be direct working, but in SQL Server we had to write as like top function. Okay, so limit. Okay, I will rename this one part limit or top. So actually in SQL Server we will write as top. In PostgreSQL we'll write as limit. So for example, I will write as this one. Select top 5 first name from actor. Okay. So if I execute this one, I will get with the top 5 records with the first name. In first name column, I will get the first 5 records. Okay. So this is the way. And with order by, for example, this is the, if I write with direct top 5, this query retrieves first 5 rows from the actor table. Okay. But if I write with order by, the order is to be changing. Okay. So we'll try to write as, so same thing, we'll write as order by. Okay. So top 5, and here I will write as order by first name. Order by first name. If I get, so this retrieves with the top 5 rows started by first name. Okay. Next, other one we'll see one more combination. So now this time I will try to write as so top 10% of rows. Top 10% of rows based on the sorted. For example, here I will write as 10%, or else will write as percent. Okay, top 10% within the 30 rows, top 10% of first name. Okay, order by first name. I get 3 records. So out of 30 records, I am getting with only 10% of records. Okay, so this retrieves with the top 10% of rows based on the sorted order of first name. Okay. So this way we will write as uh, the functions covered as day 1 as so select, order by, distinct, count, and limit. So 5 functions I have covered here today. So first one we covered as select. Next one are covered order by. Okay. Next we covered distinct. Next we covered count. Count covered. What happened? Enter. Okay. Count. Next thing, top. So this top is, so if you are executing in PostgreSQL, so we will write as limit function. Okay. So this is the conclusion of this one. Okay. So finally, the conclusion is, so in this video, we have covered as using the select statement to query the data, sorting the results with order by class, filtering unique records with distinct keyword, limiting the number of rows with top class, counting rows with count function. So these 5 functions we have covered. Okay, so stay tuned for the rest of the series, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to catch everyone to the new episode. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all. Wait, let's see with the day 2 video. Thank you.